Start Shreya beta.
My name is Shreya. My sister's name is Shruti.
Very good.
My brother's name is Shivam. My school name is JPP School Vaikarvasti. My color.
Where do you live? Where do you live?
I live in Mahipagada.
Very good.
I have one sister. I have one brother.
Very good, Shreya. Do you like banana? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Shreya. Please clap, clap, claps. Are you ready, Ganesh beta?
Yes, madam.
Okay, start. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, everyone.
What's your name?
My name is Ganesh.
Okay. What's your school name?
My full name is JPP School Vaikarvasti.
Very good. What's your father's name?
My father's name is Rajendra.
What's your mother's name?
My mother's name is Lanka.
What's your sister's name?
My sister name is three sisters.
I have a 3 sisters. सांग त्यांची नावं.
Komal, Ashwini, Shakti.
Okay, very good. Do you like apple? Yes or no?
Yes.
And do you like milk? Yes or no?
Yes.
आणखी काय बोलायचं तुला बोल.
I like banana.
ओके.
I like.
तुझ्याकडे काय काय वस्तू आहेत ते सांगतो का मला इंग्रजीमधून? काय काय वस्तू आहेत? आय हॅव.
I have a rubber. I have a eraser.
व्हेरी गुड.
I have a compass. I have a
छान.
bottle. I
वॉटर बॉटल.
have I have a daba.
टिफिन बॉक्स.
I have a.
स्कूल ड्रेस.
I have a birthday. I have a pen. I have a pencil.
व्हेरी गुड. प्लीज गणेशला जोरात टाळ्या जरा सगळ्यांनी. चला सगळ्यांनी टाळ्या द्या गणेशला जोरात. गुड. प्लीज ऑल स्टुडंट्स आर बी क्वाइट. आर यू रेडी राज?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके स्टार्ट बेटा.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Raj.
ओके.
My name is Z.
व्हाट्स योर स्कूल नेम?
My name is Z.
माय स्कूल नेम इज.
My school name is ZPP School Vaikarvasti.
ओके. हाऊ ओल्ड आर यू? आय एम 9 years old.
I am 9 years old.
Where do you live? Where do you live? I live in Mahibubgaon. What's your father's name, Raj?
My father's name is Srikanth.
What's your mother's name?
My mother's name is Renuka.
Very good. And what's your sister's name?
My sister's name is Shraddha.
What's your friend's name?
My friend's name Aditya Tanmoy.
Okay. Do you like mango?
Yes.
Okay. Good beta. Thank you.